how to download and install Capital One Bank mobile banking app. So if you want to download and install Capital One Bank mobile banking app on your device, then first of all you need to check the internet connection of your device. And once it's stable, you can simply go for your Play Store or your App Store. And now you can go for the upper side, which has that search bar. Tap on that search bar and search for Capital One Bank app. And after searching for that, here you will have Capital One UK. So you can simply choose that and then you can tap on install. And now it will start installing. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, here on the right side you will have that open button, right? So once it's downloaded, the open button will activate and you can simply tap on that open button. And after tapping on that open, you can sign up to your account or you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download your Capital One online banking mobile app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.